My head look a mess. I'm ready to wash it now.
Hello, welcome to Wendy.
Hey, what's the R&B, like the hip hop station for here?
95.1.
Thank you.
You will.
Hey y'all, so look at my cake. Oh, it's so cute. Where my I gotta take a picture of that cake. Oh my god. Here you go, my balloon. Oh, where you get these from? Party City. Kaylee needs to come on. Okay, so we're doing our own bootleg photo shoot, y'all.
See how all this whole side. Right.
How?
This background right here, when you take a picture, you're gonna see all of this through here.
Why would I take a picture? My picture's gonna be right here.
Okay. Okay, can't tell this dumbass. Say nothing.
Kayla,
America.
She is the
Cause
worst
nobody like you.
ever.
I don't like you, bro.
She's the worst helper ever. Let me
Because
we need some more light.
this.
Oh y'all, okay y'all. So I just got done doing my makeup. I ain't do nothing, but I don't wear foundation because my skin is very sensitive, and I already got good skin, so I don't need it. I just did lipstick, eyeliner, eyeshadow, and mascara. I'm about to get dressed, so I'll see y'all in a minute. Okay, y'all, let me give y'all like a quick little glimpse. It is cold outside, but I don't care. Retake it. Turn the flash off.
21.
Hold on.
Birthday thing.
Hold on.
Go down there.
Right here, baby.
Come close.
Act like you biting it.
Yeah, come close. Can you see my whole outfit though? Oh no, I want this side because
Now you have to eat it.
I don't like the juices of the green. No,
Why are you so close, Caitlin?
oh, no,
I want your face. I got the bottom.
No, I want my
I already
face.
did that.
I don't want my face. I don't like my
Girl,
face.
come on. Who take pictures? Me or you?
Look at you and no.
Shay.
You sticking it, bite.
This be it.
So currently,
Come on.
photo session.
Okay, y'all. So
Blue
this
jean
is the
jacket will be
second.
cute with it.
I got a blue jean jacket too.
Try it on. You guys, we just finished
you cool?
the last photo.
Strawberry, real good.
So now, are you wearing this, Shay?
Ooh. No. I'm gonna wear.
So next you will see what outfit she finally picked. You saw all three.
Did they see the second one?
Coming back to be continued.
Hey y'all, I'm at a red light right now. Probably it's a little dark, I know, but so I'm not going to I was gonna go eat and have a bonfire. Like I don't even know if I'm gonna go. Well, we're not going to eat because we ain't going to eat. I don't even know. Like I was supposed to have a bonfire. Can y'all see me? But like, you know, I don't even know if I'm going to that. So basically all I did today was a photo shoot, like as y'all saw, which is it's fine. Tuesday I'm just gonna go give me a massage and then go buy me some wine. So hey you guys, welcome back to the vlog. I think I left off like the other night, but today is Tuesday the 16th. It's my birthday. It's 8:30 in the morning. I look rough. I sound rough. Excuse me. I'm in my closet right now. I'm trying to find something to wear. Like, so here's the thing. Class starts today, which I'm really upset about. But is this an ugly angle? Yeah. Class starts today, which I'm upset about, and but like it's supposed to snow today, so we got an alert that said that we'll be in class until 12 o'clock. I have 3 classes today from 9:30 to 10:45, and then from 11 to 12:15, and then from 1 to 2:15. But since they canceled the other classes, I'll only be in class until 12. So that's like 2.5 hours, 9:30 to 12. I think I'm gonna wear these pants. I don't know. It's kind of cute, It's really cold outside. Anyway, y'all, tonight, me and about 3 or 4 of my friends from here. Hold on. Yeah, 4 of my friends. We're gonna go to yeah, I'm getting undressed. We're gonna go to Red Lobster at 7, and then we're gonna go see Proud Mary at 10. Even though I kind of don't want to see Proud Mary, I want to see something fun. So this is just what I'm wearing. Nothing cute at all. Not these house shoes, but like, yeah, 'cause it's cold outside. Y'all want to know what the worst part is of the morning? That's when it's cold. Ooh, my hair look a hot mess. Going out of your car, like, bruh, I hate this. It's freezing cold. I can't wait to get me in the car so I can get the push to start button, and you can out of your car from inside the house with an app, because this right here is not for me.
Love you from behind, but I hate to see you go.
So you guys, I am walking to class in the cold on my birthday. It's supposed to snow at 4 o'clock, so I mean, I guess I got a lip lesson. I got out, like I'm getting out at 12 instead of 2:15, because on Tuesday and Thursdays I usually have 3 classes. Monday, Wednesdays I have 2 classes, and no classes on Friday. And then the address was and I was like, I just got a class. Oh my gosh, it's freezing. Bruh, when I tell you, my hair a mess, but it is freaking cold outside. Like, I'm not even finna let my car warm up. I'm just gonna go. I met some really nice people today. Since we're all in our intro block, we have all the same classes together. So I met about like 6, 7 new friends or whatever that's in my department, and we have like exactly the same schedule for the whole semester, so that's a good thing. But yeah, my first 2 classes there were okay. My second one is like science for elementary teachers, and the first one was like behavior or like special education. I like the first one. The second one I don't know about, so we're gonna have to see. Okay, you guys, I just want to come talk to y'all for a minute. I'm just laying here chilling. I have it's like 12:30 right now. First, I just want to tell everybody thank you for all the birthday wishes. Like, I really appreciate it. I love you guys. Hold on. Hey, girl!
Hey, this nigga got me out in light.
Bro, it's snowing outside. I didn't even know it's snowing outside. I bought my cake. It's just gonna be us 2. We're gonna tear this cake up. Oh, shoot, hold on. I didn't know it was snowing.
Girl, yes. Also,
I didn't even know. Yeah, it's like nobody here. No car. But it's people in here. It looked dark though. Hold on. Let's see. I think they open. Are y'all open?
Yes.
Yay! Okay. It's just 2.
All right.
Ooh, this one looks so good right here. Alright guys, this is my first drink. Legal.
Just do it again. Let me see you do it.
Y'all, ain't nobody in here. I just want to show y'all. Move it up.
Get the keys together first.
The keys.
Guess what? So first off, my drink and Red Lobster was amazing. Watch your man. You should watch your mouth. No, my drink was amazing, but the school just called me, right? I don't know what time it is. We're about to go to the movies right now. School is canceled until 12 tomorrow, which means I don't have any classes tomorrow. I had 2 classes, they were morning classes, but I don't have those, so I just gotta work from 1 to 5 tomorrow. Okay, y'all. So, are you serious? It's hard not life. It's snowing outside. Like when we were in Red Lobster eating and we walked outside and I was confused. I was like, where did this come from? So yeah, it's snowing outside. We didn't go to the movies. I just didn't want to go. It's snowing pretty hard. So I mean, and I spent $25, well, yeah, a lot, $25, $30 basically at Red Lobster. So I'm just gonna chill and like watch TV, get on the phone all night since I don't have school tomorrow. If I let this balloon outside, I wonder will it fly up? Let's see. Holy crap. Snow. Happy birthday to me, 21. Hold on, I want to watch it fly. It is Friday, almost 12 o'clock. I have to be at work at 12. I work on campus in an art gallery. So I have to be at work at 12. I get off at 2. I'm so ready to get off. But yeah, when I get off, me and my friend Carrie, we're gonna go to my house for a few hours and then we're gonna go to the casino tonight for my birthday. And so I'm really excited about that. Really excited. But yeah, I'm just headed to work right now. I may talk to you guys when I get there. If not, I'll see you guys when I'm on the way home. I just want to show y'all how cute my bag is. Like, isn't it just the cutest thing? Oh, catch flies, not bills. Okay, y'all, excuse my appearance. I look very rough. I'm at the gas station. My friend Carrie in there. You can't even see this lighting is horrible. Hold on. Can y'all see me? I look a little rough. My friend in the car. I've been had this thing on all day because I want my hair to be on fleek when I get there. Every time I go somewhere, I stop at Clark's. Like Clark's, if you in Hattiesburg, you know this the stop. That's where it's at. But yeah, I was just coming on to talk to you guys. So you guys, we just made it. I look a hot mess. Excuse my bonnet. It's really ratchet. There go Carrie. I got a pee so bad. Hi, Dad.
Make sure you don't lose the key. Hello, all right.
That is Carrie. This is my father.
Go this way and walk down straight.
First stop. Right. Are you peeing now?
I just came to look at the lighting.
Oh.
Because I like mirrors like this. Let me get out the way.
Cardi B brain on offset. Guys, so as you can see, I'm dressed. My oh, I'm trying to figure out how I want to take some pictures before I go down there. 21 with no kids. I've been waiting to say that for the longest. Yes. Hello. Thank you.
Don't it? Look, just
Yeah, it's like hip dip. It's called hip dip. You see how my hip dip in, but if it was like out, it would like.
So what do I got? Hip dip? What do I got?
Oh, we better get off this elevator before we get stuck. Candy stop. Can't go nowhere. I can't go nowhere without no candy. I don't know what I want. What kind of candy you give?
I don't even know.
Hang out, we can just chill. So try and keep it low. Keep them all on the need to know. Tell them all that we just cool. As far as me and you, we got something cool.
Y'all, guess what I did? So apparently in Philadelphia, it's like a one way to. I can't even explain it, but I thought it was a two-way. You know how like you're on the highway. Well, not even a highway. You know how you're on a regular street and a car going this way and you coming this way? My nigga, both of the cars were coming at me and I was going towards the car. My heart's still pounding like a mug. So if you can't, let me see. How do I sit y'all up? I want to sit. Anyway, so the cars were coming. I was in this lane. There's a median and then there's like another road, but you can't like go straight to the other road. Like you got to go all the way around the city to get to the other side, right? My nigga, these two cars were coming. These two cars were coming around the curve straight at me, and I'm in the far right lane. So thank God this car was not driving super fast, because I would have been gone. It would have been like a head-on crash. It would have been ugly, horrible. Y'all, I don't like driving up here. And if you must know, so you want to go to Wendy's and ask the lady in the drive-thru, the hip-hop station is 95.1. So my feet started hurting. I had to come put on my house shoes, but it's okay because ain't nobody but old people here anyway. Yay. 127. So large. Y'all, this drink is so good. It's good, Carrie?
It's good, y'all. I'm tearing it up.
Hers almost gone. It's so good. Update. I think somebody won. I want to see somebody win big. I would like to see me win big, but you know, the chances. I don't know how to play nothing up in here. 1 10 cents. Upstairs to get some medicine for my friend because she's feeling horrible right now. But I hate going places in a hotel by myself. Like I'm paranoid right now. Like I'm paranoid. Especially like a big hotel. I'm paranoid. Like I'm ready to wash my hair. I miss my curls. So I gotta come on here and talk to y'all because it was this dude trying to talk to me and it kind of freaked me out. Got her some pills. I'm a real friend. You sick? Get at me. Also, this is why I don't ride elevators by myself. I almost just freaked out. So the elevator closed, but I didn't push a number. So I'm just standing there like an idiot.